art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Orcalera Orcala Christmas edition, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with our eyes. So stepping over from the center, on the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. We're going to move across now on the right hand side and drawing in our second circle for our right eye. Let's move over towards the inside corner here. We're just going to curve this line all the way around and then in on the bottom. And then we'll flip across doing the exact same thing on the right hand side. Now on the top, let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then stepping over on the left hand corner on our right eye, we're just going to replicate that. Now let's color in our pupils black. Now let's close off the mouth. So right in the middle, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then back across on the right. Let's close off the mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around, curving that in towards the center. And then we're going to flip over on the right-hand side, just replicating that. And we're going to blend that back in together. Now on the top from that corner, we're going to curve this line down, around, and in towards the middle. And then starting back on our line here, just going to curve this line up and over towards the right. Now from the center, stepping over for the nostrils, we're just going to draw in a curved line on the left and right hand side. And now let's step up for the top of the tree. So right on the left hand side here, we're going to draw in a curved line right in the middle. Stepping beside that from that corner, we're going to curve this back around and in towards the top. And then again, as we move out, we're just going to curve this line over to the side. Now let's bring this line up on a diagonal. So from that point, we're going to curve this through towards the top. And we're going to leave a gap in the middle for our star. So on the left-hand side here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're going to bring that diagonal line in towards the center, joining that at a point. Now on both sides again, let's draw in another diagonal line coming out on the left and right hand side. And then from here, from that point, we're just going to bring that in towards the middle. Now from the center again, we're going to draw in another diagonal line up on the top, joining that together right in the middle. Now in the center here, we're going to draw in a curved line coming across towards the right. And then we're just going to step down again one more time, replicating that, curving that all the way over and through on the side. Now let's draw in a circle on the top left for our ornament. And then we're going to come across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's continue to draw the tree as we come down. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that back in. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right, just ending that at the same height. Let's move over again, curving this out, bringing that back in. We're going to start to flatten this out now. So again, from the corner, curving this around and through towards the mouth. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line over and in towards the middle. Coming down on a diagonal now on the right hand side, we're just going to draw in a curved line. And then underneath us, we're going to draw in our arms. So we're going to arch this around and back in. The left hand is going to be a little different because we're holding the candy cane. So we're going to start over on the left hand side and we're going to curve this line up, arching that down. Now on the bottom, we're going to curve this line back in. And then from here, we're going to curve this line up and down. Now where we have our small gap here, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up towards the top of the candy cane. Now from here, we're going to come down, continuing this line through, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line. So we're going to arch this line down, stepping up, replicating that. We're going to do the same as we come up on the top. Now as we come around, we're just going to replicate this, leaving an even amount of space as we draw these diagonal lines coming through towards the side. Let's continue the rest of the tree. Moving out, we're going to curve this line out, back in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then back in towards the hand. And then again on the right-hand side, curving this over and through. Now towards the middle, we're going to curve a line that comes in towards the center, and we're just going to leave a gap in the middle. Now from here, let's close that off with a curved line from left to right. Let's move up and add in some more details. So we're going to draw in an ornament on the left-hand side, drawing in a circle. And then we're going to move up on a diagonal, replicating that on the top right. Now from here, we're going to start on the right, curving this line in towards the mouth. And then we're going to come underneath, continuing to curve that in towards the candy cane. Let's step over on the side, curving that up on the left. And now we're just going to follow this line on the bottom of this. So we're going to curve this back in. We're going to continue to bring this all the way around now and through towards the top right. Let's come down on the bottom left. We're going to draw in another circle. And then moving up on the right-hand side, let's replicate that again. Now let's draw in the shoes. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. On both sides, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. Now from here, we're going to arch this around and down. And now let's draw on the rest of the shoe. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, bringing that through and in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Just bringing that back up. Let's close off the sole of the shoes. We're just going to curve this around and in towards that center line. Stepping across on the right-hand side, replicating that again. Now from here, right on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, joining that line in the center. And then on the left-hand side, curving this through. On the right, we're going to draw in another curved line coming up. And where that gap is here, we're just going to point this down and over towards our hand. Let's move over now on the inside. We're going to curve this line around and up. And now from this point, we're just going to arch this line back around and then in towards that inside corner. And now let's draw on the shoelaces. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and through towards the middle. Now let's come down, leaving a gap, and we're going to curve this line through again, ending that at the same distance there. Let's step down again, replicating that. And then again, as we move through on the bottom. Now we're going to have 3 open spaces here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to close these off with a curved line on the side. Start on the top. We'll move down again, drawing in another curved line, closing that off. And then let's move through towards the bottom again, finishing that off. And now just for the tongue of the shoe, we're just going to curve this line through towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Orcalera Orcala Christmas Edition. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.